First thing I do is I get PHP my admin up and running. And then I click on my database. Click on our database we just created, gbtest1. And our screen changes. I want to do this. So I key in a table name, clients. It will have 4 fields. And then I click here on Go. Wow, let's look at this screen. This is some screen. Let's scroll this way. Scroll over. Length values, default, collation, attributes, null index, comments, MIME type, browser transformation. Done, no more. Let's go back all the way over to the left. And there we are. It says name, type, we're all the way over on the left. We scroll back to the left and we're going to fill this in. I put in company ID, COID, login name, log name, email, and p-word. Those are my 4 fields. I jump over to type, and company ID will be an integer. These others, may consist of a variety of characters, so I'll choose varchar. Length values. COID will be 10, log name 10, email 30 max, p-word 15 max. Null index. For COID, I'm choosing primary, like so. It's going to be my primary key. And AI is auto increment, so it's going to auto increment each company ID. Jump back over to the left, and I scroll downwards, and I click on Save. My screen has changed. There's my database, gbtest1. It now has a clients table. Let's make the screen wider. Over there. Let's open up clients and take a peek. I click on the plus of clients, and it opens up in columns and indexes. I don't have any indices yet, but I do have columns. Let's look. I click on the positive sign of columns, and it opens up, displaying all my fields: COID, email, log name, p-word. I click on the negative sign of clients, and I collapse it back up. If I click on my client table, and now structure over there, I can see the structure of my clients table. Scroll down and you get even more information. Well, that's it. I go back to localhost. Good. I'm in familiar territory here. I bring up examp and click stop. These 2 guys are off, Apache and MySQL. And I quit out of the server screen. And that's it. This is George Boole.